If you have not made money in 2024, or especially in 2023, I think you're investing in the wrong stocks. During 2022, we had a great stock market that went down completely and everybody got scared. And during 2023, the market recovered and we had an opportunity to buy so many great stocks that I have been sharing with you in some of my videos. Now, in 2024, the stock market continues to move up and up. And many people are scared because some of them, they had the money in bonds earning at 4 or 5%. And some people, they even have their money in their savings account, getting the money depreciated just because they are afraid of jumping into the stock market. But the stock market continues to grow every single month. So many people regret right now not investing during 2022, and especially during 2023 when everything started going up. But the same thing happened in 2020. When we had the pandemic, everybody was so scared that the stock market dropped almost 50%. And some stocks actually dropped more than 50%. And many people decided to sell their stocks, taking a loss in their investments. But in the opposite, I was buying more shares of stocks that I like. As you've seen in my videos, I do not sell my stocks. I just continue to buy more and more and accumulate more shares of stocks that are going to pay for my expenses in the future without having the need to work. And this is the reason why I have stocks like Tesla at over 1000% in gains right now. Stocks like Meta at over 300% or BYD at over 400% in gains. So in the short term, anything can happen. But if you're investing in solid companies that are generating positive net income and that are growing and growing every single year, this is an easy way to invest. And this is what I teach in my channel. So today I have 3 steps that you need to follow if you want your investments to pay for all your expenses in the future. And besides, I'm going to share with you 5 stocks that I have in my portfolio that will pay for all my expenses without having the need to work. So I want to welcome all the new members of my VIP club. And if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I have so many videos that will show you how you can multiply your money. So let's go with the 3 steps that you need to follow if you want to grow your investments. And the number 1 is invest in the long term. Many people are just thinking how they can make 5%, 10% in an investment. But this is nothing. If you really want to create wealth, you need to invest in the long term and accumulate more shares. That's how I have had Tesla stock for over 5 years, making over 1000% in gain so far. And this is nothing because I am confident that I will have more than 2000% in the next couple of years. Step number 2, invest in solid companies. Many people decide to invest in GME or AMC, and these are just things that distract your investment for the future. Many people have made money with this, but most people have lost tons of money. And this is why you need to be careful. So invest in solid companies, companies that are generating positive net income and that are growing every single year. And they have a really good moat, that they have a great advantage besides any competition that may come. And as a step number 3 is invest consistently. I invest in a brand new account $250 every single week because I want to continue to accumulate more and more shares of these great companies that are going to pay for my expenses and multiply my money. So it doesn't matter who the president is. Doesn't matter what the interest rate is. Doesn't matter what the oil price is. Doesn't matter how many wars we have in the world. Doesn't even matter who won the Super Bowl. I just continue to invest consistently every single week, and this is the secret of investing. So when you invest with conviction, doesn't matter if the stock continues to go down. that is when there are more opportunities. And if you go to a store of a product that you like and it's 50% off, what do? You just wait for the product to go back up in price again to the normal price? Or do you buy it because it's 50% off? This is what I don't understand, why people think differently from buying a product than investing in the stock market at a discount. So here are the 5 stocks that I have in my portfolio that they have great advantages, a great moat, and even if there is more competition, doesn't even matter to them because they will continue to thrive in the next 10 years. So the first stock I have for you today is Amazon. You all know Amazon. I've made several videos about this, but this company, it's an easy business model. They bring your products to the door just with a click of a button on your cell phone or computer. They deliver it as fast as possible with free shipping. Very convenient business model that will make people happy, and this is what it's all about. It's as easy as that, and that is now complemented with all these companies that Amazon owns, which is allowing Amazon to continue growing. So this is the number 1 for today. I don't want to make this video too long. Let's go with number 2. Number 2, and one of my favorite companies, and this is Microsoft. This is a very popular company, one of the biggest market cap companies in the entire stock market. So this company continues to grow, and everyone has Microsoft products. Even if you have an Apple computer, you need Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So everyone have access. Even governments utilize Office 365 as their operating system. And most of the databases are actually run by Microsoft databases. So this is the number 2 for today. Let's go with number 3. As a number 3, I have Google. And Google, we all know Google. This is a huge company. It owns so many great companies that you see on the screen, like YouTube that you're watching right now, Android, and all the work that they're doing with artificial intelligence to reach more and more people with advertising. So this is the number 3 for today. Let's go with number 4. And number 4, I have Tesla. I have made so many videos and why I continue to buy Tesla stock, but this company is just growing so much and there are so many things coming up. So this is just the beginning. I am making a special video about Tesla, so don't forget to subscribe so you can have access to the next video coming up about Tesla. And the number 5 that I have in my portfolio, one of the companies that is going to continue to grow for the next years, is Meta. And Meta, I was sharing videos how I was buying Meta at $100 a share not too long ago. And this company continues to grow more and more and is going to reach so many more people with all the advertising that they complete through Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and many other businesses besides everything that they are doing with artificial intelligence. So these are the 5 stocks that are going to pay for all my expenses in the future. And these companies continue growing month after month, year after year. And if you're the type of person that say, I don't want to invest in a single stock, there are so many index funds or indexes that include all these 5 companies that I mentioned in this video today. So if you want to have diversification, one of these indexes actually have these 5 companies plus many more that diversify your portfolio, and it will continue to grow together as these companies grow. So to end this video, I want to remind you that this does not happen overnight. This is a process that you need to continue to grow and accumulate shares that will grow in value for the future. As the company grows, your investments grow. And this is something that Warren Buffett have been teaching for so many years. And this is some of the principles that I follow in my investments that I show you in my videos or in my VIP club. So if you're not part of my VIP club yet, I'm going to leave you a link right here or look at the description of this video. My purpose is that you can have a great, successful life. So don't forget that the best is yet to come.